Do you feel scared speaking English in the office?
Yes, especially during meetings.
You're not alone. Many people feel the same.
I worry about making mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning.
Still, I hesitate to speak.
When did this fear start?
From my first job,
What happened then?
people spoke very fast English.
That can be intimidating.
I felt left out.
Did you stop speaking completely?
Almost.
What helped you change?
I started practicing small sentences,
Like what?
simple greetings and updates.
That's a smart start.
I spoke slowly and clearly.
Did colleagues react negatively?
No, they were supportive.
Fear is often in our minds.
I realized that later.
How do you prepare now?
I rehearse common office phrases.
Preparation builds confidence.
Yes, I feel more relaxed now.
Do you still make mistakes?
Yes, but I don't panic.
That's progress.
I focus on communication, not perfection.
Very important point.
I also listen more.
Listening improves speaking.
Exactly.
What about meetings?
I share at least one idea.
Even one sentence matters.
It builds courage.
Any tip for beginners?
Speak daily, even small lines.
And stop overthinking.
Yes, confidence grows with use,
Office English is a skill.
and skills improve with practice.
Thanks for sharing your journey.
Hope it helps others.
It definitely will.